Everyone, I'm Constance. But it's both easy and convenient. Step 1. The packaging your smart refrigerator camera.
Hello everyone, my name is Cliff and I've been with Chamberlain since 2017 in the paint department. Today I'll be showing you how to care for your wooden gate. First of all, I'm gonna show you all the material that I'm having here with me. I've got the face mask, lacquer thinners, set of glass, matching cloth, scissor, masking tape, sanding block, sandpapers, set of brushes, paint tray, and a varnish here. First and foremost, remember to wear your PPE gear when you're dealing with this project. The gloves and our face masks. When you're using your sandpaper, you have to inspect your gate if it has cracks. So we need to cut it to size so that you can fit on your sanding block, so that you can be able to sand it nicely. Then after, you're gonna use your matching cloth, you wetten it a little bit so that you can wipe off your dust and residues left on your wooden gate. I'm gonna take you through the first step, which is sanding your gate. If you're not sure what it used before on the gate, like if it was varnish or cedar, what you need to do is to sand it down to the bare wood. And after, you use your matching cloth to remove your residues and the dust pop. Then after, you're gonna apply your masking tape and make sure that you don't paint on the unwanted surfaces. And make sure that you aligned it straight with the wooden door. So then after, you put on your varnish into your paint tray. Make sure that you don't put too much of it. Then after, you're gonna start off painting. Make sure that you put thin layers of the varnish. Wait 4 to 6 hours between the coats. And also that will depend on the weather. Put a bit of your turpentine into your paint tray for thorough cleaning and your job is well done. Thank you for watching. For more advice on paint, please visit any of our 9 Chamberlain stores. Chamberlain, famous for hardware since 1903.